Now that we've seen how we can confirm that our XML is in the format and the structure that we're expecting, it's now time to take a look at how we can take that XML and convert that into tabular data. This is where OpenXML comes into play. OpenXML really kind of has two main goals. Number one is to shred the XML, basically get the document ready, and then two, allow us to convert that XML data into tabular data, so that way we can take that and put that into a database table or just simply maybe print it out, which is all I'm going to do in my little examples. The steps for using OpenXML are as follows. Step one is to get the document ready by calling sp_xml prepare document. That's going to shred the document, get it ready for use by OpenXML. sp_xml prepare document has two parameters. The first is going to be an integer that will represent the document. We're going to use this when we call OpenXML. And then two is the XML document that we're looking to actually parse. Then we call OpenXML. OpenXML will allow us to parse the document, and you'll notice that OpenXML will have three separate parameters. The first is going to be the document handle. The second is going to be the starting point, and we'll specify that by using XPath. And then finally, the Finder option. And the Finder option can be set to 1, 2, or 3, where 1 will automatically look inside of attributes, 2 will automatically look inside of elements, and 3 will look in both elements and attributes. And then finally, once we're done, we're going to utilize sp_xml remove document, specify that handle again, and that will allow us to remove the document from memory. Now, when we're using OpenXML, we're going to specify with options that allow us to control the parsing. Now, whenever we do our with options, there's going to be three pieces that we can provide, three pieces of information that we can provide. The first is going to be the output name. The second is going to be the data type. And then finally, the search option. And the search option is where inside the XML document we want to look for that. Now, if it turns out that the output name matches the path, we don't need to provide this. But if it doesn't, then we can use XPath for this. And if you remember, with XPath, we're going to use an @ for an attribute, a / to go down a level, and just like a directory structure, if we wanted to go up a level, then it's going to be 2 dots to go up one level. Let's take a look at how OpenXML will allow us to shred and convert our XML data into tabular data.